Okay, this video is how to buy a salvage title vehicle at auction and the 3 simple steps in getting your title rebuilt. First things first, do a search for salvage auctions. I'm sure you probably know of some already. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you've kind of done a little bit of research already, but there are brokers at auctions that you can use to purchase these vehicles. But the first of the 3 simple steps is to contact a licensed rebuilder. Connect with a rebuilder that can guide you through this process. Step number 2 is getting the vehicle repaired. Step number 3 is taking the vehicle for inspection. That's it. That's all there is to it. You can save yourself a ton of money by doing this. If you don't have a licensed rebuilder and you're in need of one, contact us below. Use that phone number or send us a message and we'll contact you back right away. We can help anybody in the entire state of Illinois, so give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. Other than that, I'm probably going to make some more videos down the road breaking down those 3 steps a little bit more, giving you some more information on those, but those are the 3 steps and that's all that there is to it. So contact us with any questions. We'll be happy to help you.